name's Daniel and I'm a student, a university student.
I'm in my second year and I'm studying for a bachelor's degree in communication sciences.
For my course assignment this week, I have to make a short video called A Day in the Life of Daniel. So, hello everyone, this is me.
And this is my home. I spend a lot of time here listening to music and watching TV. Now my mother, Grace. Mom, are you ready to do your interview for my video?
Okay, here I am.
Okay, let's go, Grace. Where are you from?
I'm from Sheffield, a city in the north of England, which is very green, and it was famous for silver production in the past.
But you live in Naples now. How long have you lived here?
For over 20 years now. I came here to work and I'm still here.
What do you do, Grace? Are you a teacher?
No, I don't work as a teacher now. I work in a publishing company in the international department. We publish books on the environment mainly, for children and for adults.
How good is your Italian?
Well, I speak Italian with my colleagues at work, so it's not bad, but I'm not bilingual.
Do you like your life in Naples?
Yes, I do. I have a lot of friends here and the city's always interesting and I love the sea and the music.
Can you say something more about the music?
Yeah, I love early music, and the old Conservatory of Naples is a very famous centre for early music, and there are always concerts you can go to here.
Thank you so much.
Now my sister Ruby is going to introduce herself.
Hi everyone. Yes, my name is Ruby. I am 30 years old and I work as a translator from English into Italian. I've lived in Dublin for 3 years where I got my degree in translation. Now I live in Naples with my mother Grace and my younger brother Danny, but I hope to have my own apartment soon with my girlfriend Rada.
So here we are. These are the people I spend my life with.
And this is a typical day in my life, studying for university and spending time with my family.